We'll guide you through how to use Asana to manage your projects efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Asana website. Log in with your credentials or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you can see all your projects and tasks. To create a new project, click on the orange plus button at the top right corner of the screen and select Project. You can choose between a blank project or use one of the templates provided by Asana. Give your project a name and set its privacy settings to either public or private, depending on your needs. Once your project is created, you can start adding tasks. Click on Add Task and enter the task name. You can assign it to a team member by clicking on the Assignee field. Set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon next to the task name. You can also add subtasks, descriptions, and attachments to make sure all necessary details are included. Organize your tasks using sections to categorize them into phases or types of work. Simply click Add Section and drag tasks into each section. If you want to keep track of the progress, switch to the Timeline view by clicking on the Timeline tab. This visualizes your tasks on a Gantt chart, making it easier to see dependencies and adjust schedules. To stay updated, use the Inbox feature to receive notifications on task updates and project discussions. Asana also offers integrations with other tools like Slack and Google Drive, which you can set up by going to the Apps tab in the project settings. This enhances team collaboration and streamlines your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.